Assalamu alaikum. In this beginner series drawing, you are going to learn about the offset command. Of course, line is going to be the tool, circle, and one type of arc. Also, you are going to learn how to use fillet, and importantly, you are going to learn how to draw efficiently using the least amount of time and effort. To add dimensions at the end, you are going to place all the objects in its correct layer. The center line is in center layer. Object layer is used for the main drawing, and dimensions are in the dimension layer. Let's get started. In AutoCAD, open your template that we talked about in the first drawing that we created there. It has the layers that you need. Let's go to model space. Start with line command. You can type L or you can click on the drop panel line on the drop panel. So type L, enter, and you can start your drawing at 50, 50. Go to left, type 7. Go down, type 4, and go right, type 7 again, and press on the space bar or enter to exit the command. And now use the arc. In the arc, you want to use start and radius arc. So you want to start from right to left, because we want the arc to go this way. If you want the arc to go to the left, then you can start from the top. So let's click at the bottom first and then endpoint, and now you have to give the radius, that is 3. Now using offset command, offset is 2. You're going to offset this line 3 times, which you can use multiple offset option, but in the beginning we are going to keep it very simple. Click on center diameter radius. You will notice that the circle is at the midpoint of the bottom line because it's 3.5 and the line was 7, so it's the midpoint, and the diameter is 2.5. Type 2.5 and enter. There is another circle that is located at the intersection of horizontal and vertical line, and diameter is 1. So type 1, enter. There is another circle that is located in the middle of these two lines, but the fastest way to draw is on the line itself first. So type 1 for diameter, and then move this, click on the midpoint, move your mouse toward right, and type 1. So it moved it 1 unit to the right. Also, there is a line that is drawn on center layer. Draw a line, and you can change that to the center layer later if you like, or you can draw it directly in the center layer. And there is another arc that goes here, and the third one goes downward. So it's the same kind of arc: start, end, and radius. Radius is 1.1354, and the second arc, the same, that can be used with mirror command, but we are going to draw it the same way for now, so we don't use mirror. Radius is 1.1354, and then add fillet. Select radius, type 0.5, enter. Click on multiple, and then select the horizontal line, vertical line, and then the vertical line and horizontal line. And that completes this drawing. Now go to layout and add dimensions. Make sure you are in dimension layer. So there are linear dimensions. From center of the circle to the end of this line. Then there is a dimension up to this line. And the last one is separate. Two linear dimensions on the top. Radius dimension for the arc. And if you recall, the radius was 1.354, and we need to show more decimals. You click once and right click, then you can select precision, and over here for this one locally we can change that to 4 decimals so that it can show all the dimension correctly. For the rest we are just going to keep 1 decimal because none of them have more than 1. And that completes the dimensions. Now make the plot PDF, and you're going to select AutoCAD PDF high quality print and ANSI full grade 11 by 8.5. Since I've used this before, it's saved in my case, and you're going to select layout over here and then make sure preview. And meanwhile update your title block including the title of the drawing and date and the scale. Select your viewport and adjust the scale. So I had mine 1:2, and that completes the drawing. Now it's your turn. Happy drawing.